My glasses tend to last quite some time, but occasionally they will fall apart, and that's because there's a screw that's come out. Now what you can do is check to make sure that the glasses haven't actually broken. If they haven't, you can simply remove a screw from an old pair of glasses, make sure it's the same type of glasses, and unscrew the screw that's in there. And when you've done that, you can then line up your new or your glasses you want to repair and very carefully put the screw in. Now this one here, I've pushed it right in and it's now holding there, and very carefully slide it in. Now you can check all this to see if it's broken if you can't see it properly with your iPhone or iPad, and see if it's broken before you put this in. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you've got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY videos, then please go on to my channel.